Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So today we are going to check the news headlines. So the first news headline, as you can see on the screen, it is about the digital payment that has seen an increment of 55% every year. Yes, if you see the past 4 years, then as per the RBI guidelines, rules and regulation, RBI has only found a data that in the past 4 years 536 crore of transaction has been done through online, and that is through only UPI. You can see my mouse pointer through UPI like Paytm, Google Pay or Phone Pay. It has been done by this three, maximum this three payment gateways, and this is really a good news for the Indian economy, because in this online transaction the buyer and the seller will be having their own transaction script, and no need to keep a extra bahi khata type of things, like you have to write that what you have spent and what you have brought and all that things. And second thing is that from 2021, from January, all the businessmen, those who having a turnover of 100 crore per annum, will have to compulsorily do online transaction, as well as have to generate their e-bill. And also from April, all the B2B business have to start their online transaction with a e-bill and a GST receipt. So that's a new rules and regulation given by the RBI. Now let's move to the second news headline. Second news headline is about the giant vacuum cleaner which eat plastic. Actually, every year there is a competition goes on, and in this year a company named Null O Plastic, you can see my mouse pointer, Null O Plastic has won the competition. That they have made a machine in which they suck all the plastic material. You can see the small plastic material from the land without harming any of the plants. You can see near the plants they are only doing this demo type of thing, and this is a really good tool. And as per the estimated, they have found out that 7.7 trillion tons, I mean sorry, 7.7 tons of plastic material will be removed if everyone use this. Not everyone, like is every state, we can say, if they use this thing, then obviously plastic material will get reduced in this world, and that is really a good news. So let's move to the third news headline. Third news headline is about the payment gateway which is called Razorpay. As I have seen in the first news headline, you can relate it to this, is that Razorpay is also a payment gateway. What they have done is like they have went to the list of unicorn startup. What is unicorn startup? Actually, unicorn startup are those startup which has conquered a list of $100 million turnover, and right now Razorpay has also went to that list due to the huge heavy use of online payment transaction from the last 4 years. This has to be done. Actually, this company has also generated revenue of $200 million from the last 4 years. And one more good news is that this company is trying to hire 500 employees for their production development and also for business development. So this is really a good news. Now let's move to the fourth news headline. Fourth news headline is about e-commerce. Right, actually, as we all know that this is a sale festive season, so all the major companies like Amazon and Flipkart are into this, what we say, retail war, and they are trying to cope up and connect with each and every bank of India because of the EMI and the loan that they provide in their own website. Right now, as per the news, Flipkart has connected with more than 50 banks for this sales period, and also Amazon has done the same. Rather, Amazon has connected a lot of sellers for this sales. festive season that is going to be held in the Dashera. And even though Amazon has extended their sale for 15 extra days, that means the sale will go from 15 October to 15 of November. Yes, 1 month. So happy shopping for you all. Now let's move to the fifth news headline. Fifth news headline is about the Mumbai power outage that has happened, and the major sector it will affect is the ATM operation. Why ATM operation? As per the Hitachi business development team, they have told that a ATM is only capable of handling 2 hours to 4 hours of electricity generate from the generator. So this may be a huge problem, and right now Mumbai from morning 10 o'clock the electricity cut off is there. And what was the reason behind it? The reason behind is that Tata electric supply failure was the reason, and due to this Mumbai is facing this issue, and that is really a big issue. So they have told that the electricity will come around 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So let's see. Those who are in Mumbai, put on the comment section that are you having electricity right now. So that's all about the today's news headline. If you like my video, then please click on the like button, share button and subscribe button. If you don't like my video, then click on the dislike button and write it in the comment section that what could be improved, so that I could bring the improvement in the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.